How to turn on night mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. It allows users to take photos, videos, live photos, portraits, panoramas, and more, with options to adjust settings like flash, night mode, and zoom. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. On this screen, go to the top and tap on the arrow button in the middle. Here, tap on the moon icon below to activate night mode. Locate the slider above the shutter button and adjust it to your desired exposure time. Longer times mean brighter photos. Then, tap on the shutter button to take a photo and hold the phone steady until the capture is complete. As you can see, you have now taken a photo in night mode. Following these steps, you can easily turn on night mode on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.